What do you get if you mix a Reese's Big Cup with Oreos? You'll get this delicious homemade Oreo Big Cup. We're going to start by making the filling, which is 2 cups of powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of clear vanilla, and 1/2 cup of shortening. And then we'll mix it together until it's well blended. If it's too thick, you could add an extra 1/2 cup of shortening to it. And this is how yours should look like. Now we're going to melt the chocolate. This is some dark chocolate. What we're going to do is we'll melt this for 30 seconds at a time until it's fully melted. And then using a piping bag, we're going to take the melted chocolate and pour it inside the cupcake liners. Just a little bit of it. Then we'll tap it to where it'll be nice and leveled. And then we're going to take some cream filling and put it inside each of the cups. And then we'll spread it around evenly. And then we'll put it in the freezer for about 10 to 20 minutes so it can harden. And then we'll take it out of the freezer and pour the rest of the chocolate on top of it. And then we'll spread it evenly. And then we'll put it in the freezer for about 10 to 20 minutes. And after that, we're going to unwrap it. And this is how yours should look like. This is really delicious. I came up with this while I was working one day. And I figured, how would that taste like? So if you like the flavor of Oreos and the consistency of a Reese's peanut butter cup, then this would be perfect for you. So give it a try.